Hey guys, when fire was invented, back then many years back, what would have happened? People must have got scared now. Ki, what is this? Or because of the warmth, they must have got scared. Ki, yaar, ye to jala dega. Some of them might have got burnt because when we get something new, we experiment with it, and so by doing many kinds of things, some of them must have got burnt, and most of the people, I'm sure, must have got scared of it badly. कि ये तो बर्बादी के लिए ही आया है. But later on, there must be someone who would have told them कि this is useful. Idiots, this is actually useful. And उनका भ्रम तोड़ के, and by telling them about the fire and stuff and its uses and how it can help them in many ways, so people must have got impressed by it, and then this is how it must have come to our daily lives. Humans usually get scared by the things they don't know about, or some new inventions, like as I told you, fire. So the book today I'm going to review revolves around this type of subject. People are not aware of those things which they don't like. I'm sorry, people are usually scared of those things which they are not aware of. So now let me introduce the book to you. So guys, today I'm going to review Earth, the Age of Njord. The book is written by Raja Velu and published by Notion Press Stores. The cost of the paperback is rupees 280 and the cost of the ebook is rupees 49. The total number of pages are 287. Now let me first tell you, show you the book cover. As you can see, it has fire in the background. The background is black, and fire is burning, redness is there, and something mysterious is in the book. I like this thing a lot about it, and yeah, fire does the justice to the book. Now let me tell you about the book. So the book starts with showing the birth of a boy, and people of his family, his father comes and says ki they are going to kill our son, and the kid's mother sacrifices her life to save her son. The sacrifice, the way was like to save him from some people in power. So this is what happened in the beginning. Now when the chapter starts, the other thing starts. So it is shown like after 23 years, some guy is fighting with his family, arguing basically ki my friend is not dead. The friend the guy is talking about is the same kid his mother saved. The kid's name is Maverick. So then after this chapter, it is now showing the things in flashback that Maverick was a respectable guy in the whole village. He was someone who saved people from the eye burner. When I started reading it, I also thought, what is the eye burner? I thought it to be some kind of demon, or like it will kill people, as they say that it will turn us into ashes. So I imagined someone is going this and that into ashes. So this is what was going on my mind, and I thought ki they are some of the things were weird. It was shown that people are working at night and sleeping in the daytime. I was like, what is this? Like, it is shown Maverick works somewhere, has his first day of work, and he woke up in the midnight. I thought, why is he starting his first job with the midnight shift? Then I thought, okay, it must be some midnight shift. That's why he is waking up in the middle of the night. Then his sister gave him some food and all, and by you can assume ki okay, it is a proper dinner or something. So these things were confusing me ki yaar, why is this happening? Later on, the eye burner was the sun. Yeah, the sun was assumed to be the eye burner, and people of Tenebro were scared that if they come across the sun, if they go out in the day, it will turn them into ashes. This was the myth there. And so people did not go out in the day. Everything happened at night only, markets, working, and whatnot. Everything was at the night, and as there were signs that sun will rise anytime, so they all went back to their homes, ran to their homes, and slept. Now, as we have always seen that whenever there is too much myth or superstition, someone comes to, destroy those myths and tell people the truth. Same was Maverick. He was a kind of rebel who did not go with people's ideas. He thought differently. He usually didn't agree with people's thoughts. His father was a respectable man in the council, had a good post, and so everyone suggested him to join the post. He didn't agree. He didn't just enjoy the work, so he thought I should do something on my own, because his inventions and whatever he did for the welfare of the village will face lots of problem, because then he will have to ask the higher authorities, then the lower authorities too, and run here and there to get the approvals. So to get away from this chaos, he thought I should work in a freelance way. So instead of a good post, he chooses wheat cultivation as his job. So the time, like I told you that it was his first day, the first day of basically of the wheat cultivation, when they were taught about it and all. So now the question comes, why Maverick was so highly respected and everyone was like a fan of him? It was because he gave the villagers some idea, not the villagers basically, he had some idea that will save them from the eye burner. Earlier in times, people didn't know that when the sun will rise, and they thought it can come out anytime. So he suggested some ways using fireworks and stuff, and some structure that someone will show that okay, eye burner has arrived or is about to arrive. Like the first bell will tell it is now rising, and then the second bell will tell that it is now up. So this is the way he saved people from the eye burner, because now people knew that they are safe and they will not come in the contact of the eye burner, the sun. Maverick is different, as I told you. One more thing about him is that he gets dreams that eventually come into the reality. Like in one of his dreams, he saw someone died, some old man died. Next day, one of his good friends died, who was old. So the strange dreams contain, like, of the present times, people are going out in cars and watching TV. These type of dreams he's getting. One thing I must say, the way the author explained those dreams, he didn't mention the words like TV or anything. And in fact, I also got confused when there was this thing, they went in a green box. So I also assumed in the beginning, green box? How? Like on the road. Then I was like, oh, he's talking about the car. So this is the way author has so beautifully given importance to these details. I liked this thing, and you won't feel that someone from such modern times has written it, because it is so convincing, and like everything is around the village and how people lived. They were scared of the sun. Now there is one more character, the chief. He might be the villain, because he's always shown to be against Maverick, and he hates him. God knows the reason. And so when Maverick has some more ideas and that might threat the chief, he does everything to harm him. I'm not sure what I can make out from the book. These are my observations. I might be wrong, because this is the first series of the trilogy. The book is going to be a trilogy, and this is the first book. So there are many things, many secrets to be unfolded. There are many layers in the book. So I'm still not sure what will happen. But the chief, as of now, is shown to be the villain, because he's like that strict, arrogant person and doesn't take up shit from anyone. Always gets what he wants, and makes people do things what he wants. So he's kind of that person. You can assume that obviously Maverick and him must have, been those enemies, kind of 36 ka akda. And this was the scene with both of them. This is how the whole book goes about Maverick and what he does, how he does, how he acts upon his dreams. Because it is really confusing. As if I will see something that I'm not familiar of, I will also get scared. Here, what is happening? And if the dreams are similar to each other, like the 5 dreams he saw, the people were almost same. So these were definitely making connections. And he had many questions ki why were people like that, what was happening. And if he and people of his village assume him to be dead because in the end something happened, that people think he's dead. And in the beginning you can see that one of the guys is fighting that no, he's not dead, he's still alive. And he said something before all of this chaos. He was adamant on something that people still talk about. What was that? To find out, read the book. So I'll tell you my experience about the book. Well, as I told you about the storyline, I didn't reveal many things, like, because obviously it will ruin your fun of reading the book. But I must say it was a really unique story. I read this kind of story for the first time and I'm really impressed. At first I thought it will be some kind of like related to science and technology, but this thing turned out to be beautifully different from that. And the way author portrayed everything impressed me. In the beginning, to be very honest, I found it boring because ek to names were complicated for me, and moreover I was not getting interested in that interest wala factor ki okay, this is happening, that is happening. Later on, the way story developed, each character developed, कुछ ना कुछ किसी का पंगा है. And how Maverick fights with people. Well, one thing is that I can relate to Maverick because like according to my nature, I'm a bit of a rebel, and I too usually don't agree with people's opinion. If we ever meet, you will definitely see me as someone who opposes like to every other thing. I'm that kind of person. And so I could relate to Maverick. And then I started developing interest ki yaar, why is it happening, how is he doing things. And I could understand why he's taking such drastic steps, because of his curiosity to save the people. And he has so many enemies now, people have stopped respecting him just because he has some logical ideas. Usually when people are scared of something and there's a myth and some genius comes out with an idea, people think him to be an idiot. People think that he's just blabbering and his success is over his head, and now he's just saying shit and all. Little did they know that he was right. One more thing is nicely explained in the book are like, we get diseases if we don't go in the sunlight. It's obvious. It was shown as a mystery that certain people are getting sick, and not all the diseases, but those related to the sun, and in which we need vitamins and stuff. These things were also explained so nicely that I was very impressed by this thing of the author कि यार बहुत easily, बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत story में लपेट के आपने इतने अच्छे से explain कर दिया. I really liked this thing a lot. And now, like, as my experience was really good, this is indeed a unique story. So now, why you should read it. If you like to read different stories, go with it. The book has different and unique things. Let me tell you, when I say unique, it is actually unique. You won't find it similar to the books we read nowadays. And the plot is really interesting, that people are scared of the sun. Weird, right? Like, we won't go out in the day and we are scared of the sun. So much they are missing, and they are blinded by their chief, or maybe some other reason, I don't know. But then this is a very interesting plot, so I guess you should read it for a refreshing genre and plot. It will really impress you. And of course, the names were interesting. As I told you, I had a tough time with them, but in the end I found them interesting. I don't know how the author dug up those names, but it was a good attempt. And so I would tell you ki this is really different. You should go with it. Trust me, you should go with it. Talking about the ratings, I didn't find any flaws in the book, and because the storyline was interesting and engaging, so it's 5 out of 5 for me. And then that's it about the book. Thank you for watching the review. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for more book reviews. The book link is given in the bio. See you next time. Thank you.